platter I will give, Asha. Solve all the sums. Means from 6 onwards today we will discuss.
Ma'am, in 7, that ABCD is the option.
Yes, options.
Okay, ma'am.
I will just solve it after a while. You all know.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in number 8 also same to? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm solving these questions. These are very pretty easy questions. The smallest
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
number is 0. Smallest natural number is 1. Difference between 5 digit smallest number, 5 digit smallest number is after 1, 4, 0. And 4 digit largest number means 9, 4, 9. Okay, that is 1. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. Okay. Afterwards, it is coming any the property used over here. What was the property? Commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property. Okay, and the next is the property used here. What was the property?
Ma'am, commutative property addition.
Nah, multiplication.
Yeah, multiplication. Okay, ma'am.
Here, this is the associative property. Associative property of multiplication over addition. Of multiplication over addition. Over addition. Okay. Afterwards, the smallest number which can be shown 2. I have shown it already, not recorded in this session, but this is 2. Every whole number except 0 is a natural number. When counting number is multiplied by 0, the number is 0. When the 0 is divided, the answer is 0.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, yesterday that the if answer, ma'am, you tell it will be distributive property of multiplication over addition.
Yes. Distributive for mistakenly written associative.
Associative.
Distributive. This is distributive. I'm really very sorry. Thinking distributive property but writing associative. Many times with me this case is very common. I'm thinking something else, writing or telling something else.
Distributive
Ma'am, like my
multiplication
mother.
over addition.
Yes. Next, the product of the place values of 2 is this and this. Here on the tens place, tens, 100,000, and after that 10,000. That means after 2, how many 0? 40 with that 20 we have to multiply. When many zeros are there, how you will multiply? First count all the zero. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 twos are 4. Okay. If 1 is added to the greatest 7-digit number, it will be equal to what? Greatest 7-digit number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 we are adding, and it will becoming actually smallest number of 8 digit. And it is how much? 1 crore. And here this is the answer. How much? After 4, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this 7 and 8 formats MCQ will come, but here whatever we have done in the fill in the blanks, this type of questions will come. Options will be provided. You have to choose the proper answers. Okay, I hope that up to this everything is clear. So tomorrow we will do the computer revision. Computer March day we haven't revised, right? So
yes, ma'am.
You just copy it, complete it down. I will send it in the study material section. Okay, let me take the attendance now.